Just getting out of an apartment lease with bad roommates and in between moves? Home on break from college? Need a place to store all your crap you're never going to use again? We have a solution for you. Store your shit here. The ultimate mom and pop business. It's a great solution for the whole family. Ask mom or dad, can I store my shit here? They are thrilled to give up their garage, your old bedroom, attic, or even basement area.
My little pumpkin got herself knocked up, so she had to come home. But her daddy and I said, don't worry, honey, come on over. You can store your shit here.
Store your shit here. A true mom and pop operation. Store your shit here forever. Free storage. Call today. 1-80-LEACH.